I believe I'm done with the repairs. So it's almost time to start Operation Trident. So let's see how the checklist looks now. 1, kayak. Check. Got it. 2, paddle. Check. 3, life vest. Over here. Check. 4, helmet. Where did I stick that thing? I know I've got it. Right here. Helmet. Multi-tool. I need to put that with the life vest. I'm gonna make another checklist. Sunglasses. Check. Outriggers. I'm gonna sit this next to the door so I don't leave them. Okay, check. Fish finder. I believe I fixed it. I believe it's operational. All right, check. Anchor. It's already inside the hole. There's a lot of stuff inside the hole. I'm just gonna call it a porthole. Porthole. There's a bunch of stuff down there. My sister gave me a bunch of lanyards, and I started attaching those lanyards and whatnot. But this rope goes to the anchor. So check. Rod. I am not taking my fishing rod out. I do have a fishing rod, but however, I'm looking for my other fishing rod that's out there in the ocean. Flag. Check. I jimmy rigged it to the back of this chair. All right. So I've got the fishing rod on there, or not the fishing line on there. Yep. Gloves. I don't need gloves today. However, I do have a set again. The other pair of gloves floated off. I'm gonna keep those in here in this closet where I don't need some stuff for this trip. Operation Trident. Tackle box. Tackle box is inside this yellow bag. This is one that a waterproof bag that my sister gave me. I don't need a tackle box for this trip. I'm not fishing. Pliers. It's in the yellow bag. Lip grip. In the yellow bag. A horn. I've got that horn. It should be in here, but it's not tied down. Right here. It's not tied down, so I might need to, or I can fit it right here. This should be a quick access, so I'm gonna put it here for right now. So if I see something coming at me, I can blow the horn quick. Lights. I've got headlamps, but I've also got these lights too in case I'm stuck out to sea. GoPro. It's over here. It's in the seat. It's a GoPro Max. Oh yeah. Sail. It's in the closet. It's orange. And that completes the checklist. I am ready. Ready. Let me change out of this shirt and it's time to go out there. I also have my snorkel mask and flippers inside the portal. So I'll see y'all out there.